Hi all, greetings from the apocalypse. So today I thought I'd show you one of the ways that I use our new Electra-Spin wheels. These are like my new favorite because they get in so many little places and clean them up that are so normally aggravating to do that I just love them. So I'll show you one of the most basic things you can use them for, which is how to use them to straighten out your seam for putting together a ring shank. So to even out the end of this ring shank, I'm going to use the black ElectraSpin. The black is the most coarse, and that's really what I use when I'm trying to even something out or really remove metal. I'm going to put it in my micro torque, like so. So if I have a little funkiness going on right here, it's really not always the easiest thing to get these little guys level. It's really handy to be able to use one of these wheels, and you can really just go in there like this. You can really use the whole top surface of the wheel because it's flat. And like any tool, let the tool do the work for you. You don't have to push hard. There you go, and it's done. Not much of a demonstration really because it happens pretty fast, but I'll do a little close-up shot so that you can see how nice and smooth that is. So this is the end that I was working on right here, and as you can see, it's now perfectly smooth and level. And that was a whole lot faster than any other method you might use. You see that? You can just see the light reflecting right off of there. So you can use this when you need to make refinements, on your seams and getting them, nice and flush, which is something that most people struggle with a good bit. So I've been using these new wheels now more and more because there's just so many quick ways you can accomplish your cleanup needs using these little guys. I'm kind of in love.